Punjab, a name that echoes with history and culture, is the most populous province in Pakistan, home to over 110 million people. It is located in the northeastern part of the country and is known as the land of 5 rivers. These rivers, the Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Base and Sutlej, have nourished its fertile land for centuries, making it one of the most agriculturally productive regions. Punjab plays a vital role in Pakistan's economy, culture and history. Punjab's rich history dates back to ancient times, and it has been ruled by various empires and dynasties, each leaving their mark on the region's culture and architecture. This rich tapestry of influences is visible in Punjab's cities, monuments, and the traditions of its people, who celebrate their heritage with vibrant festivals and dances. The province is a melting pot of cultures, traditions, and languages, reflecting its diverse past. Punjab is also the breadbasket of Pakistan, its fertile plains producing a large portion of the country's wheat, cotton, and rice. This agricultural abundance has made Punjab an economic powerhouse within Pakistan. Its industries thrive, its cities bustle with activity, and its people are known for their warmth, hospitality, and resilience. Lahore, the capital of Punjab, is a city that effortlessly blends history and modernity. Known as the City of Gardens for its lush green spaces, Lahore has been a center of culture and learning for centuries. The city's Mughal heritage is evident in its magnificent architecture. The Badshahi Mosque, with its towering minarets and expansive courtyard, is a testament to the Mughal era. Another architectural gem is the Lahore Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that houses palaces, gardens and museums. The Shalimar Gardens, with their cascading waterfalls and intricate fountains, offer a serene escape from the city's bustle. Lahore is also a center of art, literature and music. The walled city, with its narrow streets and bustling bazaars, is a sensory experience. Here, traditional crafts like pottery, embroidery and metalwork are still practiced. Lahore's vibrant cultural scene is a testament to its rich heritage. Faisalabad, the third largest city in Pakistan, is known as the Manchester of Pakistan for its bustling textile industry. It is a major industrial center, contributing significantly to Pakistan's economy and growth. Beyond its industrial prowess, Faisalabad also boasts a unique cultural identity and heritage. The city is famous for its clock tower, a colonial-era landmark that stands at the heart of Faisalabad. The Lai Alpur Museum, housed in a historic building, showcases the region's rich history and culture. For those seeking green spaces, the Jinnah Garden offers a tranquil retreat and a place to unwind. Faisalabad is also known for its entrepreneurial spirit and innovation. The city is home to a large number of small and medium-sized businesses, contributing to its economic dynamism and vibrancy. Its markets are vibrant and full of life, offering a wide range of goods and local products. Punjab's landscape is dotted with historic cities, each with its own unique character. Rawalpindi, commonly known as Pindi, is a major city located near the capital, Islamabad. It serves as a gateway to the northern areas of Pakistan and is an important military center. The city is known for its bustling bazaars, historical sites like the Rohtas Fort, and its proximity to the Murray Hills, a popular hill station. Multan, known as the City of Saints, is famous for its Sufi shrines and historical architecture. Its skyline is punctuated by the tombs of saints and mystics. The tomb of Shah Rukn-e-Alam, with its distinctive blue-tiled dome, is a masterpiece of Mughal architecture. Multan is also known for its handicrafts, particularly its blue pottery and camel skin crafts. Other notable cities in Punjab include Gujranwala, known for its ceramics and wrestling traditions, Sialkot, famous for its sports goods manufacturing, Bahawalpur, known for its palaces and deserts, and Sargodha, an important agricultural center. Section 5. Punjab's natural tapestry from desert to mountains. Beyond its bustling cities, Punjab is also a land of diverse natural landscapes, each more captivating than the last. The province encompasses a wide range of geographical features, from the fertile plains of the Punjab river basin to the deserts of Cholistan and the foothills of the majestic Himalayas. The Cholistan Desert, also known as the Rohi, is a vast expanse of sand dunes, scrubland and ancient forts that whisper tales of a bygone era. It is home to a unique ecosystem and nomadic communities who have adapted to this harsh environment over centuries, living in harmony with nature. The Salt Range, a series of low-lying hills, is known for its salt mines, scenic lakes and ancient Hindu temples that stand as a testament to the region's rich cultural heritage. The rivers of Punjab, which give the province its name, are its lifeline, flowing through the land like veins, nourishing and sustaining life. They irrigate the land, support agriculture and provide a source of livelihood for millions, making the province one of the most agriculturally productive regions in the country. The banks of these rivers are dotted with villages, farms and forests, offering picturesque scenes of rural life that are both serene and vibrant. The foothills of the Himalayas in the north of Punjab offer breathtaking mountain scenery with their majestic peaks and lush valleys. The Murray Hills, with their pine-covered slopes and pleasant climate, are a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors from all over the world. The region is also home to several national parks and wildlife sanctuaries, protecting a diverse array of flora and fauna, ensuring that Punjab's natural beauty is preserved for future generations. Section 6. A tapestry of traditions, culture and heritage in Punjab. Punjab's cultural heritage is as rich and diverse as its landscape. The province is known for its vibrant festivals, traditional music and dance, and exquisite craftsmanship. The people of Punjab are known for their warmth, hospitality and love for life. Bhangra, the energetic folk dance of Punjab, is famous worldwide for its infectious rhythm and vibrant attire. It is performed during festivals and celebrations, filling the air with joy and exuberance. Other traditional dances include Gidda, Jhumar and Sami. Punjab's cuisine is renowned for its rich flavors and generous use of butter and spices. From the hearty sarson ka saag and makki ki roti to the melt-in-your-mouth tandoori chicken and sweet lassi, Punjabi food is a treat for the senses. The province is dotted with historical sites, ancient temples, Sufi shrines and Mughal-era monuments. These landmarks stand as a testament to Punjab's rich history and cultural heritage. Section 7. The rhythms of rural life, agriculture and industry. Agriculture is the backbone of Punjab's economy, with the province being the largest producer of wheat, cotton and rice in Pakistan. The region's agricultural prowess is not just limited to these crops. It also includes a variety of fruits and vegetables that contribute significantly to the local and national economy. The fertile land, irrigated by the 5 rivers, supports a thriving agricultural sector. These rivers provide the essential water resources that make Punjab one of the most agriculturally productive regions in the country. Farmers in Punjab cultivate a variety of crops, including wheat, rice, cotton, sugarcane, and fruits. The diversity of crops ensures food security and provides raw materials for various industries. The province is also known for its livestock, particularly its dairy and poultry farming. These sectors not only meet local demand, but also contribute to exports. The agricultural abundance of Punjab has earned it the title of the breadbasket of Pakistan. This title reflects the region's critical role in feeding the nation. In addition to agriculture, Punjab has a diverse industrial base. The industrial sector includes a wide range of manufacturing activities that complement the agricultural sector. The province is a major centre for textiles, leather goods, sports goods, surgical instruments and automotive parts. These industries are vital for both domestic consumption and export markets. The city of Faisalabad, in particular, is known as the Manchester of Pakistan for its textile industry. This city is a hub of industrial activity and innovation. The industrial and agricultural sectors of Punjab are intertwined, with agriculture providing raw materials for many industries and industries providing inputs and technology for agriculture. This interdependence fosters a robust economic environment. This synergy between agriculture and industry has contributed to Punjab's economic growth and prosperity. The collaboration between these sectors ensures sustainable development and a thriving economy. Section 8. Conclusion. Punjab's enduring legacy. Punjab, the land of 5 rivers, is the heart of Pakistan. Its fertile plains, vibrant cities and rich cultural heritage make it a unique and captivating province full of life and energy. From the historical grandeur of Lahore to the industrial dynamism of Faisalabad, Punjab is a land of contrasts. From the deserts of Cholistan to the foothills of the Himalayas, Punjab offers a diverse range of experiences and landscapes. Punjab's legacy is deeply intertwined with the history and culture of Pakistan, making it an integral part of the nation's identity. Its people are known for their hard work, resilience and love for their land, which they cherish deeply. As the most populous province in Pakistan, Punjab plays a pivotal role in shaping the country's future and its development. Its rich heritage, coupled with its economic significance, ensures that Punjab will continue to be the heart and soul of Pakistan for generations to come.